Digital resilience in the financial sector, a balance between regulation and flexibility. Regulation, EU. 2022-2554 of the European Parliament and of the Council marks a milestone in the regulation of digital operational resilience in the financial sector. This regulatory framework seeks to balance the need for robustness in technological systems with the flexibility required for innovation and business growth. Let's analyze the key aspects of this regulation and its impact on financial institutions and ICT service providers. Flexible approach to concentration risk. The regulation adopts a gradual and flexible approach to address concentration risk in ICT services. Recognizing that strict limits could hinder business activity and contractual freedom, it opts for a model that prioritizes comprehensive assessment by financial institutions. They must, first, thoroughly analyze outsourcing agreements, especially with third-country providers. Second, determine the likelihood of concentration risks arising. Third, assess the potential impact on their digital operational resilience. This approach allows financial institutions to maintain their autonomy in the selection of providers, while ensuring proper management of the associated risks. Special attention to critical third-party providers. The regulation emphasizes the management of relationships with critical third-party providers of ICT services. Financial institutions must, first, fully understand the existing interdependencies. Second, identify cases of high concentration that could affect the stability of the EU financial system. Third, maintain an active dialogue with these providers when specific risks are identified. This approach seeks to create a more resilient financial ecosystem where dependence on key providers does not compromise the stability of the system as a whole. Harmonization of key contractual elements. To ensure effective oversight of the risks associated with ICT service providers, the regulation establishes the harmonization of fundamental contractual elements. This harmonization must cover critical areas that allow financial institutions to, first, comprehensively monitor potential risks arising from the provider. Second, ensure the stability, functionality, availability, and security of the ICT services received. Third, periodically evaluate and monitor the provider's ability to provide services securely. The harmonization of these contractual elements seeks to strengthen the position of financial institutions in their relationship with providers, ensuring that they have the necessary tools to maintain their digital operational resilience. Conclusion. Regulation, EU. 2022-2554 represents a significant step forward in the regulation of digital operational resilience in the European financial sector. By adopting a balanced approach between the need for control and business flexibility, it establishes a framework that allows financial institutions to effectively manage their technological risks without compromising their capacity for innovation and growth. This new regulatory paradigm requires financial institutions to be more proactive in assessing and managing their relationships with ICT service providers, fostering a more robust and resilient financial ecosystem. The effective implementation of these measures will be crucial to maintaining stability and confidence in the European financial system in the digital age. At ILP, we are experts in advising companies and startups, especially in financial regulation. Our goal is to support your success and growth. Get in touch with our AIs, Savvy and Atenea, to focus your queries or contact us directly. More information at ilpabogados.com and ilpstartup.com.